In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings with HubSpot. Whether you're brand new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the exact clicks so you can quickly set up a meeting from a contact record and keep everything organized in your CRM. First, log into HubSpot using your usual account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a menu for CRM. Hover over it or click it to open the options and choose Contacts. This takes you to your full list of people and companies you're tracking in HubSpot. From here, find the contact you want to use. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the right person by name or company. When you see the correct contact, click their name to open the contact record. You'll land on a page that shows the contact's details along the left and a timeline of activities in the center. Right beneath the contact's name and basic information, look for the Schedule a Meeting button. Click that. HubSpot will open a meeting panel or pop-up where you'll set all the details. This is the central place to put everything the invite needs so it shows up correctly for you and your contact. Now configure the meeting settings. Give the meeting a clear title so it's easy to recognize on a calendar. Pick the date and start time and set the duration. Double check the time zone if you work with people in different regions. Choose the location such as a conference room or a video link and paste the link if you already have one. Add a concise agenda or description so attendees know the purpose and what to prepare. Make sure the contact is included as a participant and add any teammates who should join. If there's a reminder option, set it to give everyone a helpful nudge before the meeting starts. Review everything for accuracy, especially times, links, and spelling. When you're ready, click Schedule or Save to set the meeting. The meeting will be added to the contact's timeline, and if you have calendar syncing enabled, it will appear on your calendar as well. If you don't see the scheduling button or certain options, you may need the right permissions or a specific HubSpot subscription. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to CRM and Contacts, open your contact, click Schedule a Meeting, configure the details, and you're done.